I am happy to announce that we have about 150 new ebooks now available in Mac and VIA. To look at books in Mac and VIA, you can of course go through the long hundreds of pages of books in alphabetical order, or what's easier for me if I'm not looking for a specific title or author, I use the search resources box up here. But a way to just browse as if you were looking at shelves in the library is to use this categories option. And yes, this will show you audiobooks as well as ebooks. We have about 80 audiobooks right now. But this allows you to search, say, 267 titles in adventure instead of browsing over 5,000 titles, which is just a daunting task. I also wanted to share with you another source of really fun ebooks that we have and audiobooks that are actually listed in databases. If you scroll down to the second page of databases, you can also type these into the search bar once you know what you're looking for, but they're together on the second page, so I'm taking you the long way. Load more, and down in the T's, there we go, are two options for books. Teen Book Cloud has a lot for middle and high school, including a lot of graphic novels, a lot of really fun books, and then Tumble Premium. Some of you might be familiar with Tumble books from elementary school, and it does a lot of read aloud. So you have an ebook with the option to have it read aloud to you. And yes, there are a lot of elementary resources there, but there are also middle school books there too. So I would encourage you to check out Teen Book Cloud and Tumble Premium for some fun books to read. All you do is open now, and I will show you Teen Book Cloud. These work similarly. They're created by the same organization, and you'll see we have fiction, nonfiction, drama and poetry, enhanced ebooks. Those are the ones that have the option of reading it aloud to you, graphic novels, and there's some other sources here too. Somewhere in here, maybe it's in Tumble Premium, they even have some games that relate to books. So there is so much here to read. You have to maintain an internet connection, however. They're not ones that you can download to your device, and that is how they are different from our regular Mac and ebook selections. If you have any problems getting to these things or getting things to work for you, please don't hesitate to email me. Thanks. Bye.